So I almost had to fire someone today. Yeah. Uh, Silicon Valley Update 3. As a CEO, multi-billion startup, I need transportation. Okay, I need wheels. I need to be able to move from A to B without being encumbered by the modern plight of the average individual. Okay, because clearly that's not happening here. So I reach out to my boy Flip Edits. You may have heard of him, best editor, tech editor of the century. And I said, hey, can you arrange some transportation? Can you just take care of this for me? He said, I got you. This is what he shows up with, okay? He hands me a skateboard. What am I, a child? I was ready to can him right then and there. But I looked at the back of the skateboard. All my homies hate VS Code. Okay, you're winning me over. Anime Bobs, okay. I didn't fire him. I promoted him. He's now Chief Editing Officer at the startup.